wanna see wonderful locations together. Everybody, there's here is very crowded.
أو دار برويا؟ لا شو عنده برد؟
We drive a little and again stop. We arrived to Rawanduz. We decided to go to Beal here. It's wonderful. I really recommend here to visit. It's amazing. Guys, we didn't eat in that restaurant. Thank you. Until another video. Bye bye. Hello guys. How's it going? Good morning. Today we have planned to go to the Rawanduz. I used to see there before, but I hear that it's so beautiful and it has very beautiful places. Today we want to go there and visit there together. Well guys, first we want to go to Alibag Waterfall. Yes, be ready that today we want to see wonderful locations together. On the road we stop and we wanna buy mochi. I don't know what's the name of that in English. Let me show you, you know it. They are organic. So delicious. سؤالك يا كماشي بتسنن شيلوي we bought they're so delicious, tasty. Do you know what happened when we were eating hawthorns? Suddenly an insect jumped out. Now that I have edited the video, I see that it's in the movie, but I didn't realize it at the time. Okay guys, we arrived to Gali Alibag. Here has a waterfall. It's so beautiful. The mountains are amazing. And now we go to see waterfalls. Let me to show you the mountains. Look, just look at the mountains. Just look at this one. It's so from here we go to see waterfall. You should pay 1,000 dinar. Something خوشم. The weather is so good. Here is located 130 kilometers north of Beal. That it's between the cities of Califan and Soran. Look guys, here is so beautiful and also the weather is so good. It's so cool. The height of the waterfall is more than 10 meters. Summers here is very crowded, that you can enjoy boating in the lake below this beautiful waterfall. Drink tea, fire tea.
او در برو یا لچو عنده برد شاخی دی امری هی لچو تا ایوان لچو عنده بر okay
There you go, drink tea, fire tea. Now it's time to go to another location. Let's go. You know, guys, here is so beautiful. Now we drive a little and again stop because here is so beautiful. Look, I want to show you here. Actually, in the camera, it's not like in real. Real is more beautiful. Look at here. Here is all restaurant and coffee, but as you see now they are closed. I should take out my shoes. I want to go here and now it's time to go to other locations. Let's go to Rawanduz. We arrived to Rawanduz. It's very beautiful. Just look at here. Wow. Just look. Just look at here. Sanzwana barasti. We decided to go to Beal first and then return to Rawanduz. Here is beautiful Beal. It's so amazing. Just look at it. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. I couldn't describe here. You should be here by yourself on that time. You know what I say. Now, just be ready. I want to show you a very beautiful place. Now you want to go there. Look. It's wonderful. Look at here. It's wonderful. No. It's okay. Here is located 10 kilometers from Rawanduz and also 135 kilometers from Erbil. I really recommend here to visit. It's amazing. It's wonderful, you know. Just look at here. In this part we have shops and you can buy souvenir for your family or friends. I like these clothes. Let's go inside this shop to see what else they have. As you can see, you can find a lot of souvenir and also crafts in this beautiful bazaar. Also, there is a lot of restaurant and coffee in here that you can sit in there and enjoy watching this beautiful waterfall. Just look at here. I love here. I really recommend you come here and visit and enjoy. It's wonderful. And look, they give me this. It's I forgot in English, but it's so delicious. Well guys, we bought 3 Kurdish clothes and also some other things, and now we want to go to the restaurant. That's خوش be. That's خوش. Again, see these beautiful waterfalls from another angle. Now it's time for lunch. Yeah, actually, now we wanna go and eat food. Let's go to this restaurant to see what they have. Indică zor coșturi. And now we come back to Beal and come to this restaurant. I don't know what they have. Salah. What? No. هوا بگوشت؟ این هوا بگوشت. هوا بگوشت بگوشت. باشه نص خوش به نص خوش به. There you go. The food is ready. This is biryani. This is fasulia. Guys, we finished our food. It was so delicious. I really like it. It's better than 2 other restaurants that last day's event. I really recommend here. It's so delicious. Enjoy it. Thank you. Until another video. Bye bye. Take care.